Good morning, Bulls. What's going on, baby? Jerome Powell said everything is going to stay the same. 0.25. Let's go. Look at the charts. Look at all the cryptos. Look at the stock market. We're going up. Why? Because the Bulls have been held down for way too long. Good morning, everyone. I'm the One Leg Bandit. I'm here for ClearCryptos. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm growing every single day. 20,070 subscribers as of right now. I'm trying to boost that up. So keep hitting that subscribe, hitting that bell, and let's grow together. All right. So it's Good Morning Crypto. We are talking about a lot of things here, okay? But right now, the first thing I want to talk to you about is Bone. Bone is absolutely on fire. 149, and it's already hit up to 155 today. These candles are moving in the right direction, and we get above 160, and that's when the fireworks happen. So look, take a look at Bone. Never tell you what to buy, but I'm telling you right now, this thing is explosive. If they release Shibarium on the 14th, which is 12 days away from today, goodness gracious, and hopefully we'll be up to about 250 before it even launches. That's going to be a beautiful, beautiful ride. It's just going to be absolutely outstanding. All right. Look, if you have not, go over here to the Discord for Shiba Inu. You can check out all things Shib, Leash, Bone, all the great news. Everything that you want to see is right here directly from the team, so you're not getting confused about what's going on and where things are. Definitely join the Discord if you have not. And also, if you haven't used Shiba Swap, this number up here in the top left-hand corner is the most important number, okay? 24 million is the total volume right now, okay? It's been going up. It hit a low of like 19 million. 24 million is going up because people are staking even without the rewards. So that is what is going on right there. So if you haven't seen Shiba Swap or utilized Shiba Swap yet, you definitely want to take a look at it. Sorry, it's having a little bit of a time loading here. I'll share this instead. But either way, let's get back down the list here. Okay, Leash broke above $400. It's at 416. Remember, I told everyone, Leash is the store of value and access. 107,000 tokens in total. And I'm telling you, this is another one that is getting ready to go places, okay? It breaks above 418. We haven't had any resistance there in a while. I mean, you know, so we've got some good room to run with Leash, okay? Saitama continues to ask people what's going on. People saying, what is happening here? This is a massive bullish flag right here. I told you yesterday in a video, if this thing stays green and goes up a little bit, we're going to have a massive breakout to the upside. This is a bull flag on Saitama, and people don't understand. Saitama now is not thinking in the little bitty cents and 1 cent. It's thinking dollars, okay? Saitama is trying to become a blue chip and is trying to run the majority of its business overseas. But, you know, it's a worldwide company right now. Africa, Dubai, lots of things happening with Saitama. I don't want to tell you what to do. I just want you to take a look. I mean, the SATA card, it hosts a lot of really good tokens that people want to transfer to cash. And I'm telling you, they're very smart in the tokens that they choose. So check out the SATA card. Check out Saitama. I'm keeping my eye on it because I'm a holder from the very beginning. When it transitioned over, I had 3 trillion. Now I have like 3 million Saitama. So I'm holding on there. CRO. Look, CRO is like the bull that's held at the very back of the pen, okay? CRO is wanting to break out so badly. It's just being held down. They're not ready yet. They want to do something big for the breakout. And whenever it starts to go, it is going to go. All right, CRO, everybody is ready. Everybody is adding and just getting ready to ape in. They're tired of being beat down at CRO. You know, they got kind of drugged through the FUD with all of this thing with FTX and having to prove themselves. But I believe CRO is going to do well. All right. Cred and Jetstar, they're down a little bit today, but this is a token you want to, it's just moved over to the Polygon network. It's huge in gaming, and they haven't even unleashed everything that they're going to do. So definitely check out Cred and Jetstar, just something to keep your eye on, jetstar.com. Now, let's get to beautiful ClearCryptos, okay? Sorry. ClearCryptos just released some news, and I want to share this. This is actually on Cointelegraph, okay? USFCR partners with ClearCryptos to accelerate enterprise adoption of Web 3.0 and blockchain. This is a humongous partnership. If you haven't heard about ClearCryptos or don't know about them yet, do your research, type them into Google, look at all the things that they're doing and why they're different than every other token that's out there. You've got to look and separate these different tokens and decide which ones you're going to put in your bag. Nobody has unlimited funds to add and to put everything in your bag. So you have to be very You have to be very selective of what you do. I've done my research on this, and I'm telling you from my research, from just the people behind the project, what their mission and what they're trying to do is, and their goals, I'm in. So I'm just letting you know that ClearCryptos, you definitely want to take a look and see what's going on there. Okay. Let's hop back over here and let me take a breath for a minute. 1 second. Woo. So as you can tell, I told everyone yesterday on the live stream with Zach and Austin that I can't hardly sleep at night anymore, and I really can't. Whenever you've built a beautiful bag like this down at the very bottom, every little tick is such a big difference on your life. And I know where we're going to go to. At least I have a feeling of where we're going to get to with all these projects. And I know that there's millions of you out there just like me. There's millions of you. And you've got to continue to grow your projects, continue to work hard for your projects. You do make a difference. You getting someone to sign up for a wallet makes a difference. You getting someone to come into either ClearCryptos or Shiba Inu or Doge or Leash or Bone or whatever project, Saitama. It doesn't matter what you're into. It's all building the DeFi game. So I just want to tell you all that I love you. I want to tell you thank you so much for helping me grow so much. And let's go on this journey together. And let's all meet at whatever island you want to meet on whenever this next bull run happens, because that's what we're going to do. We're not going to fail. We're going to push it. All this macro news, all the Fed, they know that crypto is just sitting here ready to go. And I hope you feel that. I hope you all have a beautiful day. I love you. Keep hitting those comments up. I love it. I've been getting a lot more comments. I love talking to all you. And if you need any help or any questions about, you're stuck with something, I don't give financial advice, but I'll help you, each and every one of you. Hope you all have a beautiful day. The One Leg Bandit loves you.